Let's explore the analytical capabilities of M3O. In the Optimize area, we will bring up our dashboards. Each dashboard is separated into a number of panes that have mouse overs. They are all getting data either as fixed queries or live. In this case, we can have different regions zoomed in. Let me click on this one to bring this one up. The user can have any number of dashboards. If I go to the browser, I can visually see the dashboards that have been added to the system. I'll bring up this map of California, which has dynamic regions tied to color values, and I can bring in external data, in this case Yahoo Weather as an example when we click on them. This allows us to layer information in a very rich way, both information internal to M3O and external feeds. Let me show you how easy it is to configure OpsBook. I'm going to click on this dashboard, and on the left hand side we see a number of events that are separated by their activity level in the system. When we click on them, we see the individual transactions that correspond to that event type. Here we have 3 transactions for this particular category. Let's edit this and bring in some process information into the dashboard. In the edit mode, we can see each of the panels of the dashboard as a little thumbnail. Here's an invisible data feed, the bar chart, and finally the text field. In the left-hand area, we have various widgets that we can create and use. In this example, I'm simply going to use a BPM viewer, and let me drag it up next to the text area. So I've activated dependency links. This helps me wire the panels together so that clicks on one will cause data to be aggregated and flow to the next panel. Here I've wired them in a chain. I'm going to control the layout. I don't really like that. Let me look at the layout templates I have. I can pick these or make my own. Let me change this. Here we go. That looks okay. And if I want, I can just directly move these to the right side of the panel. That looks better to me. Let me save my work. This is going to validate all the works I've done, the widgets and the connections, make sure there's nothing wrong. Then write it out to the model repository. Looking good. Let's take a look at it. All the users on the system will now see this improved dashboard. I can click on it. I can click on a transaction, and now the new widget I added is displaying the process. Let's zoom in on it. I can see my process detail. This looks familiar. I can see the process context and history, and have a great deal of insight with these comments into what's going on in the process. Of course, I can zoom in, and let me move that over to show how interactive the process is.